Hey, what's going on, guys, man? Today we're going to be welding the street racer. So in the previous videos, maybe like 3 or 4, we got all the metal, grinded it all together, and so now we actually bought the kit for the street racer. So now I'm going to weld it today, and I'm going to show you guys how to do some good welds.
Okay guys, so now we're putting in these ankle magnets so that we can line it up real nice. We're just gonna tack weld it and then we'll regular weld outside. We got a nice flat ground in the garage here, so it's gonna be good to do that. Hooking up the ground, and here we go. We're just gonna tack these right here. As you can see, I did a great job angle grinding here. I put like a little groove in there. I forgot what that, is that called? Like a, yeah, I was gonna say that, like a butt joint.
All 6 of these spots right now. So the best way to do this without the metal warping is you just do a couple tacks on the spots that you need it, and then you weld all the way, because if not, you'll bend the metal a little bit. It'll be a little off. So this is the best way to do it.
And most of the grinds, it started raining, so we'll finish that up later, just some of the corner stuff.
Yeah, I mean, for what it is, no welding table, no clamps. I mean, this looks great, man. I mean, we're gonna get a little bit more professional. We're gonna get a welding table. So, anyway, then, but for this, I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, for what we envisioned it, I mean,
This thing has come a long way already. It's still got a long way to go.
yeah, we're gonna buy that kit, like I said before. Nice big slicks on it. I think that my brother is getting a sports engine for this. I don't know if it's manual or not, but see how it goes. Alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.